Welcome, dear friend. In today's Bloomery Buttercream lesson, you will discover 5 Bloomery baking secrets, timeless tips designed to elevate your baking skills and bring beauty, structure, and glow to your every bake. The Bloomery Buttercream is silky, stable, and secretly nourishing. This is more than frosting. It's a perfect companion to your cakes, cupcakes, and tea time creations. Rooted in the base to bloom method, this buttercream is crafted to be effortlessly elegant using wholesome ingredients, a signature whipping technique, and a glow-giving additions like collagen and coconut cream. Once you master the base, the possibilities are endless. From blushing strawberry to deep chocolate, vanilla bean to rose and orange blossom. Let's begin. Bloomery baking secret number 1. Always use butter that's softened, not melted. It should leave a gentle indent when pressed with your finger. This ensures a whip that's smooth and never greasy. Phase 1. Creaming the butter. Start by adding your room temperature grass-fed butter into your stand mixer bowl. This is the foundation and the key to a cloud-like texture. Bloomery baking secret number 2. Use the paddle attachment, not the whisk. While the whisk may seem ideal for whipping, it actually creates too many air pockets, leaving your buttercream with gaps instead of pure grace. Turn on your mixer and begin to whip on medium to high speed. You'll notice that the butter lighten in color. This is what you want. We're building air and structure, but only the kind we want. This small habit makes a big difference, helping every ingredient whip together in harmony. Bloomery baking secret number 3. Whip longer than you think, about 10 to 12 minutes in total. Every few minutes, stop to scrape down and keep the whip even. As you whip, the butter transforms, pale, pillowy, and full of body. This is your buttercream base, ready to be bloomed. Phase 3. Adding sweetener and collagen. Next, sift in your powdered sweetener and collagen. Yes, collagen. This beauty-boosting ingredient adds structure, nourishment, and protein-rich smoothness. It's our secret weapon for glow and grace. Bloomery baking secret number 4. Always sift. Lumps are the enemy of elegance, and sifting ensures a velvet finish every time. Phase 4. Vanilla and liquid. Add pure vanilla extract and your full-fat coconut milk or organic whipping cream. Just a spoonful or a splash at a time. Bloomery baking secret number 5. Add liquid slowly on low speed. This keeps your buttercream from curdling and helps it emulsify like silk. Increase the speed gradually as it blends. Watch how it comes together, glossy, creamy, and perfectly spreadable. Base to bloom flavor variations. From here, the flavor is your choice. Add freeze-dry strawberry powder for a lush pink delight, or raw cacao for a rich, nourishing chocolate version. Every base to bloom flavor variation is free from refined sugars, but full of glow-giving goodness. And there you have it, your Bloomery Buttercream, whipped to perfection, smooth enough to pipe, soft enough to swirl, stable enough to layer into tea cakes, cupcakes, and every elegant creation you imagine. This is just the beginning. With each recipe, we'll build your skills, your confidence, and your creativity, one beautiful bake at a time. Let's keep baking and blooming together.